Luma Dream Machine. This video is about this AI tool which is constantly updating, constantly upgrading, and it has grown into something way more than just your helper in creating images. Luma AI or Dream Machine can now be used in all the niches. For example, real estate, you could do a 3D animated walkthrough through a building, or you could generate some visuals for your products as a e-com business. Anything. You can even make a film with it. So Luma AI can do, or Dream Machine can do a lot of powerful stuff, as you can see right now on the screen. You can generate anything from cars to sceneries, all of that in really high quality. Let's actually deep dive and open the tool. First, you're going to need to log in. So I'm going to do sign in or log in with Google. I'm going to do a new account. So we walk through everything together. Boom. This is your main tab or your main screen. Here you can see boards, and you have no boards as of now because you haven't created anything, and that is what we're going to do in a minute, create some images. But just quickly to explain boards. Boards are a way that Luma stores your ideas into organized boards, as they call it. So here you have some previews of how would it look, all of your bubble stuff. I don't know how to explain it. All of the images that are kind of similar will be stored in one board. Then you got, for example, forests. So you will have another board, or people, another board. You can organize it and use it really effectively. So pretty good feature. And you can start a board right here. What we're going to do now is we're going to head into the editor. Okay, so in Luma, you have these three main tabs or three main functions. First are the boards, then you got ideas. This is where you create, and then you got editor. We're going to go over ideas now because that's what you're probably going to use the most. You have all video or images. So I'm going to click images, and let's say I want a forest. Forest with the bear in the middle. Really basic prompt, not that good, but just to showcase. Here you can see that Luma is dreaming right now. That means it's doing the picture, and boom, just within seconds, we have a pretty good picture. We could just take this picture right now and make a video out of it. So this would be the first frame, and this is how you do the viral videos, right? So it works with AI that you give it first and last frame, and then it like transitions into it. So I could, for example, do a tiger in a jungle like this, and then I would just give Luma the first keyframe, which would be the bear, and the second keyframe, which would be the tiger, and it would do like a transition. All right, so this is not all. We have some settings right here. So for the images, you can choose, and this is what I really like about Luma, you can choose the format you want the picture to be in. So I probably had this one or this one, I'm not sure. But yeah, probably this one. So we can right now do this one, for example. And you have some other things like resolution, but I'm stuck at 720p because I don't have the paid plan. I'm consider buying it, but that would be just for some future automations, because what you can do with Luma is, as an AI automator, you can, for example, make an N8N or make.com scenario that will be pumping out YouTube videos or some films that will be using Luma AI and ChatGPT, for example. We could do that. We could do a video. So leave a comment on what you would want to see, and let's keep moving. Then you can, of course, do videos, but these are, again, for the paid version. You can choose the time or the resolution and the model. The Ray 2 is the newest one, I think. Then we have the keyframes, as I talked about it. So start frame and end frame, and AI will fill up the space between them. References is to use, for example, here I will reference the bear and the tiger, and I will say make it into, and I said we make it into a white tiger. So now it's dreaming again. And the thing with Luma and the paid versions is that you have to wait if you're on the free version. It is like a dominance-based hierarchy in Luma. So if you have the paid version, you will be up in the ranks and you will be prioritized. So the light model is for, I will do monthly, is for $10 a month. You get 3,200 monthly credits, rate to access, resolutions, high priority, as I talked about, and non-commercial use only. So you cannot use Luma AI on these two models commercially. Then you got the Plus, which is $30 a month, and you got way more credits, rate to access, blah 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 blah. And then the unlimited, which is $100 a month. I would, for example, if you want to use it for commercial uses, I would just stuck with the $30 version and call it a day. Meanwhile, we got the image. It's the tiger. It's the different format, and this is perfect. You can create literally movies with this and make a lot of money. Because if you have seen on YouTube the AI automated channels, they're all automated, most of them, about some, for example, some kid stories with bunny getting run over by car and then a turtle helps it and all this stuff. It got millions of views and people are making thousands of cash on it, literally thousands. So this is how they do it. You just do one keyframe, second keyframe, do a quick 3 second, 5 second video, do like 5 of them, you get 20-second reel and or short, and boom, money printing. This is the new meta with AI, and if you want, you can grab it by the neck right now and use tools like Luma. I will do a series about AI tools you can use and capitalize on them because it's really important. And yeah, let's keep going. So yeah, you got all of these settings, which are really good. I like them. Pretty awesome because, for example, if you ever tried ChatGPT or these little tools that are not specified on image generation or video generation, then you cannot have these tools or these settings as good as here, and sometimes you have problems. So this pretty awesome. And then you got like a loop. You can do a loop, or you can do camera shoot. You can do static, handheld, zoom in, zoom out. Like, just look at this, just bear with me for a second. You got all of these styles and AI will do it for you. And this is exactly what I thought about. Just with this, you can literally create a film, whatever, a combat. This is all created with Luma, by the way. Combat scene, a bolt cam, dolly zoom, don't even know what that is, low angle, like all of these things, and pay attention to the detail in the videos. You can genuinely create a movie or some paid video or whatever, POV, anything, eye level, overhead. This genuinely blows my mind. So yeah, here we have shoot, establishing POV, wide, full body, style, all of these different settings that you can use here. And then we can upload, so of course, our own images, which is also pretty useful in my opinion, or like you need that, of course. And yeah, this is what is it called, ideas. So this is basically what you would use mostly, and within 10 to 15 minutes you can have your own movie with Luma. I keep saying a movie, but you could use it for commercial uses or whatever you like. So let's hop into the editor. Just quickly edit your media. Here you can upload an image and edit it with Luma. I don't think this is like necessary to cover in this video, but what it does is you basically upload an image of a car and you say change it to green from black or whatever, or change it to have a minigun on the roof, whatever you like. Reframe it. Also, you can also reframe the picture, and yeah, this is it. Luma AI, in my opinion, my favorite video generator after VO from Google. I think this is also from Google, or not from Google, but it like, probably Google bought it. So this is it. And stay tuned because new series of AI news will come. I'm not sure if once a week or maybe more. We will see, but I genuinely want to cover what happens, for example, now, how Apple bought Perplexity. That's a really big and bold move. So we will see how Perplexity is going to evolve right now. Siri is probably going to be useful. So yeah, I'm going to do these news. So if you like my videos, if you like what I share, and you think you can learn something from me, drop a follow and stay tuned. Bye-bye.